Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form weighed. V2 past form weighted. V3 past participle weighted. V4 present par, waiting. V5 SES wades. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb weighed? Answer. The base form of the verb weighed is weighed. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb weighed? Answer. The past form of the verb weighed is weighted. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb weighed? Answer. The past participle of the verb weighed is weighted. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb weighed? Answer. The present participle of the verb weighed is waiting. Question 5. What is the third person singular SES of the verb weighed? Answer. The third person singular SES of the verb weighed is wades.
Verb forms example sentences.
V1 She waded through the shallow water to reach the other side. V2 They waded through the mud during the hiking trip yesterday. V3 The children have waded in the pond all afternoon. V4 While wading in the stream, she spotted a fish. V5 He wades across the river every morning for exercise.
Subscribe my channel.